that there's a lot of stuff in scans. Can you speak to the like how much stuff in a given scan might you not mention just because of the natural noise that's in the human body?
A lot. I would say, I love thoracic imaging because it's like there are only a few organs in there. And if you're reading, abdomen, pelvis, right? If you're a body radiologist, that's what we call them. There are a whole lot more organs. But, in general, of course, when we're reading lung cancer PETs, I'm reading the entire head to toe scan. There's a lot in there. I typically find a balance between mentioning things, especially in patients who are dealing with a cancer diagnosis. I'm mentioning things that I think could be clinically important. This could be related to the cancer. It could also be something like coronary artery calcification. So, plaque that is in your heart vessels, because as Heidi can tell you, that can be important later on when you have gotten treatment. And then this can lead to a heart attack or a stroke or that sort of thing. And so it's important to not overwhelm people and find a balance. I mentioned things that I want people, especially the next radiologist, to pay attention to. And then I mentioned things that I think the oncologist should pay attention to or the care team should pay attention to.
And within there, it's a judgment call as to what small things within the lungs. In your lungs, you inhale stuff and you get little nodules, you get tiny little punctate things on the scan that could that one day be a cancer? The likelihood's no, but that's not zero. And if you look back in time and there was something
Yeah.
there. That happens all the time.
We hope you liked this video. To support cancer research and get clear, expert answers about cancer, follow us and visit crackingcancer.org to join the Cracking Cancer community.